This is probably one of my favorite features of the Makita style saws. When you loosen your front plate to do your bevel cuts, it has a locking mechanism at 45. But if you set it back to 0, you can turn this knob and you can actually go all the way up to a 58-degree angle, which a lot of times you might be cutting over a 45. So regardless if you're in that 45 or if you have to go to 56, 58, whatever, it can go all the way to 58 degrees, which I've had to use in the past. Okay, we can go back to 0. We can also lock it on a 22.5, which is obviously two 22.5 degree angles becomes a 45-degree angle. So that's a very common cut, especially in my world. But for today, we're just gonna put it in the standard 90-degree mode and leave it there with a 45-degree cut. Okay, depth of cut is over 3.5 inches, which is cool because you can make a full pass on a piece of 3.5-inch material. A lot of times 4x4s are gonna be 3 5/8 if they're wet. So let's see what the actual depth of cut is. And it's 3 3/4. So that's really nice that this will cut actually maybe even over 3 3/4. It might actually cut 3 13/16. That's awesome to have that ability.